My name is Robert Bache, Medicare Bob. I own Senior Healthcare Direct. And in this Medigap Monday video, I'm going to answer the question, does Medicare Supplement Plan G cover a knee replacement? It's a frequently asked question, and I'm going to share with you that yes, Medicare Supplement Plan G does cover a knee replacement. Here's how it works. A knee replacement, as you know, is usually an outpatient procedure. So just like every other outpatient procedure, Medicare is going to pay 80%. Then, if you have a Medicare Supplement Plan G, you have to pay the Medicare Part B deductible, which is $183. Once you pay that small, once-a-year deductible of $183, Medicare will pay 20% for all of your outpatient procedures. And since a knee replacement is an outpatient procedure, if you get one, Medicare is going to pay 80%. If you haven't met your deductible, the $183, you'll pay that. If you've already met it doing some other service earlier in the year, you won't have to pay for it again because it's already been met. And then your Plan G supplement plan is going to pay the remaining 20%. So you really won't have any bills. There's no co-pays. There's no other bills other than as long as you met your deductible and you have a Plan G, Medicare pays 80%, and your Plan G is going to pay the other 20%. So you won't have any fees for the knee replacement. Oftentimes after knee replacement, there's recovery. Recovery can be physical therapy, rehab, follow-up visits. Well, since you've already met that deductible and you have a Medicare Supplement Plan G, you won't have any co-pays or any follow-up fees for any rehab or physical therapy. Again, that's what's really nice about a Plan G is once you pay that deductible, as long as you go to a provider that accepts Medicare, Medicare is going to pay 80%, and all you have to pay is nothing because your Plan G is going to pay the 20%. So yes, Medicare Supplement Plan G does cover a knee replacement as well as all your follow-up visits, physical therapy, rehab. It covers everything. Once you meet that 183, you'll not have any fees for a knee replacement or any other outpatient procedure. Thanks for tuning in on this Medigap Monday and have a great day.